What is the degree of this polynomial? Arrange it in descending order. And what are the coefficients, variables, and constants in this polynomial? Now this polynomial has three terms: 5 minus 3x plus 4x squared. And the term with the greatest exponent determines the degree of the polynomial. So this term has no exponent, this one has no exponent, this term has an exponent of 2, so our degree is 2. Now just keep in mind that although we can't see any exponent here, negative 3x is exactly the same as negative 3x to the power of 1. But we generally don't include that exponent when we're writing it because it's redundant, because they're the same thing. So negative 3x, that term actually has an exponent of 1, or a degree of 1. So next it says arrange it in descending order. That means that we put the terms in their order of degree. So whichever term has the highest degree we put first, and that's 4x squared because it has an exponent of 2. Then we put the term with the next highest degree, and we are going to use negative 3x or minus 3x because it would have an exponent of 1. And lastly, we put our term of 5. It has no exponent. Then it says, what are the coefficients, variables, and constants in this polynomial? Now the coefficients are the numbers that come before a variable term. So in this case, we have 4 here before the x squared, and we have negative 3 before the x. So our coefficients, the number the variable is multiplied by, are 4 and negative 3. And variables, we only have one variable in this polynomial, and that's a variable of x. There's no y or z or anything else. And the constant, that's the number that never changes and always stays the same, and that's going to be this number here, 5. So our constant is 5.